Welcome to our updated guide how to use Zoom for beginners in 2025. If you are new to Zoom or just looking to brush up on your skill, you are in the right place. Today we are walk through the essential steps to get the started to you can confidently join and host meeting in no time. To create your Zoom account, head over the Zoom website, click the sign up button at the top right corner. You can sign up using your work email or log into Google or Facebook. Once you receive the confirmation email, click the link to finalize your account setup. If you are on the mobile, simply download the Zoom app from your app store to Play Store and then follow similar sign up instructions. For desktop user, log into your account and hover the host a meeting link to the top right. Choose whether you want to video on, off, or just screen share. This will redirect you to the Zoom app whether you are connected. Just setting and copy the invitation link to share with participants. For mobile users, tap the orange new meeting icon, adjust your setting and hit the start a meeting. You can join a meeting directly from a link sent by the host and enter the meeting ID in the app. Make sure your audio and video settings are enabled for a smooth experience. Let's not forget about screen sharing. This feature is fantastic for presentation and collaboration work. Simply click the share screen button during your meeting and choose what you like to share. Whether it's an application window on your entire screen. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips. Use virtual backgrounds. These features have the maintain professionalism by allowing you to choose a background that suits your style. Record your meeting. This is great for those who can't attend live sessions. Explore Zoom phone if you need VoIP calling capabilities. Consider the adding Zoom phone for seamless communication. In conclusion, Zoom is a powerful tool can enhance your virtual interaction. With this step and tips, you are now equipped to navigate this platform like a pro. So go ahead, host the meeting, share your screen and connect with effortlessly. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.